this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a project share. Thank you for taking the time to come by my channel. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing, leaving comments. We are doing a monthly collab. This collab that we're working on is going to be for 3 months long. This is the second installment of it, which is the last Sunday of the month at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be posting. And so it's myself and a bunch of other wonderful, talented women, and I will leave their links below for you to check out their channel so you can go give them some love and support and be inspired, because they will inspire you. So we have on our group, we have Susan, we have Leah, we have Tanya, we have Lisa, and we have Sheba, and they all have YouTube channels, and we have Donna, who only has Instagram. But I will make sure that everyone's link is below so that you can check out their channels, like, watch, and subscribe to them, leave a comment. And we had to make at least 2 cards. That was our thing, was to make 2 cards, any style, whatever flavor, whatever type of card you want to make. So I'm just going to jump right in, and when you leave my channel, please go check them out as well. So I want to say I started out with this Recollections pack that I had, and it was 5 by 6.5. I used some 110-pound cardstock to go along with it. I used a whole bunch of Spectrum Noir markers. I already put half of them back. My Versamark, because I was embossing, my StazOn inks, and then I used some Recollection Gold and some Zing Chestnut embossing powder. Some bling that I got from Hobby Lobby. Some bling that I got from, I'm sorry, not Hobby Lobby. This was AC Moore, excuse me, but they're closed. And then this actually came from AC Moore's as well, or the Dollar Tree, one of them. And then I got these 2 stamp sets from Tuesday Morning. And this is Spellbinders, and this is called Twisted. And these are some of the sentiments. It says, "You've got me tied in the knots. I'm nuts about you." And this is, I'm yellow because it's mustard, and that's the little salt. And there's the pretzel piece in the back. And then this one, so that's what they look like. And then this one is called Lunch Bunch. So it's got the dies, and then it has "Let's do lunch. I'll always be here for you." And we are together. We are cooler than everyone else. So those were the 2 die sets that I chose to use. I'd hope to do a little more cards, but I'm glad I got my 2 done. I'm trying to get my little mojo back and swing things. So these are my 2 cards, plain and simple, but I enjoyed them. And so the first one says, I embossed this, "Let's do brunch" in gold, and I stamped this in black. "When we are together, we are cooler than everyone else." And there's my little thermostat and my lunchbox, and I just put the little bling on it, and I matted it with a black 110-pound and white 110-pound cardstock. And on the inside, I matted it again with 110-pound cardstock and stamped it, and it says, "I'll always be here for you." So I thought it turned out really cute. Nice and cute, and I already have the envelope, which I can decorate that as well. And then this one, I took the time to stamp the mustard out all around to make a background, and I layered that with some 110-pound, well, this is 110-pound white cardstock that I colored with my markers, and then this brown is the craft 110-pound cardstock that is matted it with, and then this is on foam tape, and this one is matted. And I cut out the little pretzel, and I went around it with my Spectrum Noir markers. Heat bossed this in the chestnut. It says, "You're got me tied in knots." And a little stamping back there, a little bit of bling. Very plain and simple and clean, but I think very cute and effective. And on the inside it says, "I'm nuts about you," nuts about you. And again, the little salt flakes are in both of the corners. And there's plenty of room to still write your sentiments. So I thought these turned out nice and cute. I love these little Spellbinder sets, you know, because you can do so many different things with them as well. Some ATCs out of them and different stuff. But anyway, I just thought they were cute little sets with the food. And so went along with the ones that I did last month with the other Spellbinder dies that I made the cards out of. So I'm building up my little stash. So that is what I made. So I appreciate your time for stopping by. Please go by and check out everybody else's channel. Please like and subscribe, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.